What is up, guys? This is your boy Rex, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So make it sure if you are new to this YouTube channel, make it sure that you do hit that like button, you do subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell for our future drops, or in order for you to be notified whenever we drop. To get a point. So today I'm not doing much. It's just like a little bit of a market breakdown on NAS100 and show you how I execute my trades on, or how to confirm, like basically how to confirm a trade. Because most of the time I use the patterns to confirm trades, reversal patterns or continuation patterns. Let's say the market created us a high, maybe we're in an uptrend, the market created us a high. Then if the high now is broken, or if the price breaks the high, then I'm gonna patiently wait for a retest. But if the market is not giving me that retest that I want, obvious, it doesn't mean I'm wrong. Doesn't mean I'm wrong, because I trade what I see, not what I think. So I'm gonna patiently wait for the market to give me anything that confirms me to buy at that certain moment. So if the market is gonna impulse to the upside, then give me a correction. That's when I'm gonna start executing my buy positions. That's when I'm gonna start uh, executing my buy position. Don't mind my voice, guys. Yo, the flu is killing me, but I can't stop working. Flu is flu. It's gonna pass. So now, and again, don't forget, guys, on the next week Monday, I'm dropping my course. The course is covering everything, man. You must get it. The course is covering everything, even if you're a beginner or an advanced trader. Doesn't matter, because sometimes you can say you're an advanced trader but lacking some of the things. I'm always saying this. You can say you're an advanced trader but still lacking some of the things. You're not disciplined, maybe you're still not consistent. So you must get the course covering everything, the technical trading, also the fundamental trading, and to the introduction in on the forex exchange or in the forex industry. So now let's jump straight to a chart. So guys, here I'm having my Nasdaq on 4H time frame. So I'm gonna switch it to a daily time frame. Switch it to a daily time frame. Here we are. So I'm starting highlighting, as always, highlighting my highest high of the market, of the price, and my lowest low. Today, just I want us to focus here only, just on the current price, not the overall structure or the overall chart. Just want us to focus here. So now I can start like highlighting my key levels, where the price or the market touches the most, creating support and what resistance. Over here, I'm having my key levels. I'm having like my key levels. My key levels. You can see it makes sense. It makes sense. My key levels. So if you wanna know about key levels, feel free. Wanna send me a WhatsApp text. I'm gonna drop my number on the description box. Drop my number on the description box. So now I'm done highlighting like my key levels. Now let's just go to 4-hour time frame. 4 hours time frame. Some will say these lines are confusing. No, these lines are not confusing. These lines are not confusing, because you can easily spot where the market is making a U-turn. Where the market is making a U-turn. As you can see, the market gave us something like this. Yeah, something like a rising channel. The market gave us something like a rising channel here. And if the market like create us a channel, if the market create us a channel, at least the market must come back to retest where it started to correct. As like our channel started to correct here. Then I'm looking for the price to drop from here until here. But now we can't just like sell. We can't just sell. Let's do the analysis. First confirmation that the market can still push from here until we hit our 90% rule of our ascending channel. So like the market broke out of our, if the market broke out of our excuse me, breakout trend line, we're expecting a retest, at least a break and retest of a trend line. But if the market is not giving you that retest, I'm always saying this or telling you this, you must patiently wait for the market to correct. Then you enter your what? You enter with your sales. If it's on a downtrend. As you can see here, I'm having my correction. As you know, the market is moving in two phases, which is impulse and correction. Here I'm having my impulse. Then here I'm having my correction. This like was more of a confirmation that the market can still push to the downside, because this is like a continuation pattern. So to enter this trade, as you can see, we had a gap here. The market came back to fill the gap and give us a double bottom, a double top, meant to say, a reversal pattern, a double top here. It was also a confirmation that the market can still push to the upside, to the downside, meant to say, the market can still push to the downside. As the market pushes to the downside, the market created there was a key level here, or can say a support. Let me highlight our support. Highlight our support. There was a support here that the market broke and never came back to retest. But at the end of the day, came back to do what? To retest here. Came back to retest here. Here's the thing here. Came back to retest here. Excuse me. While the market came back to retest here, the market gave us an impulse to the downside. Another impulse to the downside. As you can see here, we had an impulse, a correction, impulse. Let me highlight everything in order for you to see. Here I'm having my impulse. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Now on a 1 hour time frame. Still here, we're having something like, we're having a level. You highlight everything. We're having a level here. Highlight it. Acted as a support, broke, came back to retest and drop just a little bit to the downside, but came back again to our support, break it again, and come back to what, to retest here. As you can see, come back to retest here. So this, like, it's more like a key level. Then the market created us or gave us an impulse to the downside. Then we're having something like this. The market created a low here. The market created a low here. Maybe if you can go to 30 minutes or 15-minute time frame, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. And this is a key level at the same time. If you wanna check previous, that is a resistance here. As a resistance, as a support, as a support. Obvious, we broke it and come back to retest. We're having like two confirmation now because these correct excuse me, this came back to retest as like a correction. As you can see, it's a correction and a continuation pattern. Market gave us a continuation pattern that the market could still continue to the downside. This was a what? Our low here. Our low here. The market created another low, which is here. This one was respected. This low was respected here. I'm sorry about interruption, and came back to create another low, which was here, and this is like more of a level here, more of a level. Then obviously the market came back to retest for a first time, went down, came back to retest for a second time, and a third time. And like that touches are high probability trades. We all know that that touches are high probability trades. And now we're having something like this. Hey, but now where's my tools? Where's my tools here? Let me escape. Where's my tools here? Hey, Joe, I can't see my tools. Oh, here are my tools. As I was saying, guys, here we had a low. Then the market broke it, came back to retest for first time, second time, third time, and that touches a high probability trade. Here also had a confirmation of a double top, and still we're in like a corrective manner. We're in a corrective manner. We just show my trend lines. We're having something like this. Again, we're having something like this. So we're having like an impulse, correction here, and also a continuation pattern, then impulse, correction, then we expect what, an impulse to the downside. Already we're having like a confirmation here. We had a confirmation of a reversal pattern, which is a double top, and also this is a retest on our level. It's a retest on our level. So I'm looking for NASDAQ to drop until here. Looking for Nasdaq to drop until here. Obviously, if you're gonna break this supporting diagonal trend line, looking for Nasdaq to drop until here, because it's possible that for the Nasdaq that can make us a dead touch and turn here. So, but just because we trade what we see, not trading what we think. So I see Nasdaq dropping until maybe here, because there's a channel that must be respected with a 90% rule when we go for time frame. The channel that needs to be respected with a 90% rule. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Maybe we might see some of the confirmations. Maybe we might see some of the confirmations in the 15 minutes time frame. Let me remove this. Let me fix my trend lines. So it's possible that we can maybe get a what? A dead touch here. Then return to the upside. But if you're gonna break this trend line, then you already know it's a sell. The market can still push to the downside. So this is how I view NAS100. So let me know in the comment section if this session is like useful or what. So guys, I'm gonna be dropping my course next week, Monday. I'm dropping my course next week, Monday. I'm dropping my course. It's covering everything, like introduction to forex, technical analysis, or technical trading and fundamental trading. Anything, covers anything. And also I'll be teaching you my strategy on the course. So make it sure that you grab it. Make it sure that you grab it. So peace, guys.